Okay, I wish to bring up the issue of the harassment case between PSP volunteers and PAP volunteers. Our members have lodged a police report on harassment by PAP volunteers, and on their part, Ms. Leong has made allegations of a PSP volunteer slapping a PAP volunteer. So this is very serious allegation. Since police has completed their investigation, we urge for the outcome of the investigation to be released to the public so that we can know the truth.
I stick to my belief that the system that we created, the healthcare delivery system we created, actually is too expensive. So I actually suggested we must go back outside hospital care, because outside hospital care, I think, is so much cheaper. I believe the future of healthcare is home care. So if we don't have a home care delivery system, a system which involve all the ordinary Singaporeans to participate, the families to take part, we were going to have a big problem on health costs.
First of all, I want to mention is that the campaign is coming to almost to the end, but the PAP, especially our opponent, Minister Desmond Lee, still have not actually responded to a lot of the national policies that we have raised. PSP has proposed a solution in our affordable home scheme, which is a scheme that says that Singaporeans who just want to live in HDB flats do not need to pay land cost. That is a scheme that we think will work and will change lives of Singaporeans very differently if we implement it. How come over the last 20 years, the government didn't upgrade all these lifts in Jurong Street? I request Minister Desmond Lee to give a definitive answer. We have debated GST many times. All economists know that GST is a regressive tax. Although the lower income Singaporeans are being taken care of, but the middle class Singaporeans pay a lot more GST tax. 60% is paid by the higher income Singaporeans plus the foreigners. But they didn't give a breakdown. How much is paid by the foreigners? They just lump all these things together, 60%. But 40% of the GST is still paid by middle income Singaporeans. So the middle class Singaporeans in Singapore are a sandwich class. The more you raise the GST, the more the middle class Singaporeans will be suffering.